Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Serena.
And I'm James.
And we are twin flames in union. Today we are going to be sharing with you guys some cool updates that we have on the channel, some expansion. We've had a lot of growth, so that's really cool. There might be something new that you guys might be noticing in this video. Comment below right now if you know what it is. And if you don't know what it is, you have to, well, both ways. You have to watch to the end of the video. Because James has cut his hair for the first time in
6 years.
6 years. This is the first time he's had short hair, also electively.
Yeah, since I left school.
You said you've always done it for like jobs or things like that.
Previously, it was always because when I went overseas to work on the boats, I'd have short hair for there, and then boats again, and then boats again, and then yeah. So this is the first time I decided for myself to cut my hair off, which was quite crazy, and still getting used to it.
I think it looks pretty nice on you though, but I might be biased. So this is also where you have to watch to the end, because that will give you the whole insight. So we filmed a whole video of this whole transformation, and then
with a huge conversation behind it.
Huge conversation in depth about your partners and security and all this stuff, and then lo and behold, we lost all the audio. Obviously, Spirit had a bigger plan for it. And so we're putting it into our rebrand video, which is this one. So thank you guys for being here. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you know that whenever we have videos coming out that you are aware and that you're ready for those, because we've got some big stuff. We're still making videos on a weekly basis. What you guys can expect from our little rebrand that we have going on here. So you guys can, obviously we've been doing these videos. If you're following along, you've been seeing us put out videos where we're together talking, and then I'm also still putting out usually one video a week or so on either like twin flames or spirituality. We're gonna also start to add a little bit more, I think, in terms of our home improvement. If you guys don't know, James pretty much built this house. I mean, obviously you had help.
I had help, yes.
It wasn't just you with on your hands and knees, like hammering everything in.
I wish it was, but we didn't have the time for that.
No. But basically, you know, the concept of this house and the structure of this house, you know, you put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into it. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, even before you were here.
We've got some cool ones coming up. I need to clad the outside of our house to fully insulate the outside. We need to, at some point, put ceilings in. As you guys can see, the background of our video, it's very shiny from the single-sided radiant shield that I need to now clad the inside of the walls as well at some point with the insulation in there. I've got to put some shelves in our bookshelf, which I've cut 3 or 4 of them already. I just need to trim them a little bit more to make them fit. It was a bit more of a challenge than I thought it was going to be. And yeah, there's lots of very cool, exciting things coming up. I still need to build a deck outside. I'm busy working on our garden at the moment. I've managed to get us...
Got some more grass!
Got some more grass. It's grown twice as big as it was before, so that's something. I'm just hoping that it all takes now. Yeah. But yeah, no, it's some cool, exciting things coming up, and I can't wait to share it with you guys.
And you can see back here, actually, this whiteboard back here has all of our home projects on it. So there's
non-urgent.
Yeah, there's quite a few on there. So yeah, we're really excited to share this journey with you. It actually makes me happy that our house wasn't completed before Claire got here, because me thinking to bring people along with the house projects, like in a sustainable, like eco-friendly way, was not on my mind at all. We probably also will maybe do like a house tour, because so much of our stuff was like secondhand or repurposed or refurbished. I think that's kind of a cool dynamic too, so you guys can see like how we really live in here. If you guys don't know, I am currently in the process of finishing up an ebook, which is going to be available as a free resource for you. This is actually the most incredible thing that I've ever put out. With the most incredible transformations. So this is going to be with breaking karmic ties. So if you are in a karmic relationship, if you've been in a karmic relationship, if you're a twin flame or your partner is in one, this will give you all the insights on literally like what you can expect, how to identify this person in your life, and then also how to break off ties with this person in a way that's going to last, in a way that's going to help you regain your energy and literally bring like life back into you, because these relationships can be very, very draining and very toxic. So that's my goal for you guys, is to gain more independence in your life, in your relationships, and obviously get closer to union, because we can obviously state that it's amazing. It's amazing and we love it.
Fantastic.
But yeah, so that's the goal there. So if you'd like that free resource, in the next probably week or so, I'm going to have a wait list that comes available for you to sign up. And then we are going to be having an incredible activation meditation, a cord cutting ceremony coupled along with that for the release. So I'm really excited for that too. And then last but not least, we have expanded to Instagram and TikTok. So TikTok is where you can find like all the things we're doing, like outside of informational twin flame videos. So that's going to be all of our like behind the scenes and background stuff. That's all of my like daily content. And then Instagram as well, and that is more of our kind of twin flame community. So definitely follow those. Again, links are in the description. And yeah, we'll see you on those platforms. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you next time.
Bye.
Bye.